So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-lock ng ating WhatsApp. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung WhatsApp account natin or yung ating WhatsApp app. So after nyo ma-update guys, open na lang natin yung ating WhatsApp. So, kailangan nakalagin din yung inyong account. So, dito guys, pagka-open ng ating WhatsApp mula dito sa pinakang chat list, itap nyo lang yung 3 vertical lines na nandito sa upper right corner, tulad nito. And then, may mag-pop up na option. So, dito, piliin nyo yung settings. So, ayan guys, after nyan, dito sa settings, piliin nyo naman dito yung privacy. So, ito yung tap nyo. And ayan, scroll up lang natin. And dito naman guys, sa part na to, hanapin nyo lang yung app lock. So, tap natin yung app lock. And ayan guys, kung papansin nyo, meron ditong switch button sa right side niya. So, ang gagawin nyo lang guys, para ma-enable is itatap nyo itong switch button para ma-activate yung app lock through biometrics. So, kapag guys, i-enable natin yung ating app lock, gagamit tayo ng biometrics para mas mabilis nating ma-access nang tayo lang yung ating WhatsApp account. So, makakatulong to guys para walang ibang magbukas or pwedeng gumamit ng ating account sa ating phone. So, tap natin guys yung switch button sa right side. And then, lagay nyo lang guys yung inyong fingerprint para ma-confirm yung biometrics. And ayan guys, naka-enable na yung ating app lock through biometric. So, pwede kayong mamili dito kung kailan nyo gustong mag-auto-lock yung inyong WhatsApp. So, pwede siya after nyong ma-close yung app, pwede siyang mag-lock after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. And pwede din guys, malak agad siya after yung ma-close yung inyong WhatsApp. So, ito na lang guys, try natin yung immediately para mapakita ko sa inyo na naka-enable na yung ating app lock. So, ayan guys. So, i-refresh lang natin. So, ayan. Open ulit natin guys yung ating WhatsApp. Ipapakita ko sa inyo na naka-app lock na siya. So, ayan guys. Para ma-access or ma-open yung ating WhatsApp, ilagay nyo lang yung inyong fingerprint. And automatic yan, magbubukas na yung ating WhatsApp account. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-lock ng ating WhatsApp. If you have a question, can you comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.